What I just say, bro? Oh, that's so cool. Bro, Eugene, shut your. It's like, nah. Let me not. Alrighty. So, in this case, boxed items. Boxed items is less than crafting items, or I'm gonna replace it with slaughtered items. No, I'm gonna just do crafting. Crafting items. Okay. Eugene is so annoying. All right. So yeah. So crafting items is okay. So let me start. Let me just continue. Okay. So total items is 5, right? And dun, it goes to 4. Our player drops an item, goes to 4, right? And our box item is 2 here, and our crafting item is 3. So box items goes to 2, crafting items goes to 2. Okay. In this case, our total item is 4, right? So 2 plus 2. Wait, did I already do it? Nah, I couldn't have. Okay, yeah, so 3 goes to 2. So that means the crafting item is the sum of crafting item is the sum of oh, that's actually harder than I thought. What's up, Rising? The crafting item is this is a sum. 2 is a sum of that is actually harder than I thought. It could be T, or initial T is a sum of C minus the initial, no, C minus previous T, which was 5, right? So TP minus T, I think it's initial, so it would be like this: I minus T C. Everyone names it so bad. Oh, that's cool. Welcome to the community, man. I haven't really seen you here that much, but if I have, I apologize. But if not, welcome to the community. Welcome. I need to make more like actual gaming videos, but I haven't had that much time to edit them the way I want to edit them, at least. Yeah, it's cause it's not gaming videos. Doing more scripting. When I get the time to actually edit the videos, then I'll do more gaming videos. C minus Ti, so Ti minus Tc, right? So in this case, it'll be 5 minus 4, so it's 3. So in this case, it's 3. It's 3. So we have 3. Are you in the Discord call? Yeah, I will. I'll make a video gameplay. I'm gonna try to balance it out, but I've been trying to learn how to script, so yeah, so I've been doing more of this. So Ti is 5 minus 4, which is just 1 as a whole. So you're doing 3 minus 1, and that's how you get to. Okay. So that's what you can do, or you can literally just do. You can literally just do 2. You can do the initial box item minus that. Okay. So yeah. Let me try to make another one. So we have this, right? Let's say C is now, I don't know. C is I don't know. I don't know, 15. We have B as, let's say, 5, and then we have T at, right, 20, right? But now the player drops, let's say, 5 items. So now 20 becomes 15. This one stays at 5 because this is less than it, so it stays at 5. like it stays at 5, right? And yeah, drop game suggestions too. Like I don't really have games to play, so if y'all know, send some. Right now, someone told me to play this other game, but it's closed community. I don't want to really go through all the trouble of trying to get access. So just send me any other games that are like open that y'all want me to play. But yeah, so 5, right? And now this, according to the first lottery, you wanted to do 5 minus. So I can do 5. Oh damn! I kind of okay. So logically, this should be okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna do. Damn, we're gonna do 15 minus. We're gonna do shit. 15 subtracted by 5. That's 10. So that would give you 5. This can't become 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10, not 15. So that means the original one I was thinking about was wrong, right? So that means this would have to be 10 because 10 plus 5 is 15. That would only make sense. But then if I think about it and I go back, right? We can do. I mean that's just a sum. So we can literally just do 15. We can literally just do this equals C minus yeah. C minus B. But that would not make sense. This can't be C minus B. That's because if we did it here and we did C minus B, which is 1, there's no way that'll be 1. So that means this one has to be the original one. So that means C minus, and now we're doing TI, which was 20. Okay, yeah, so that has to be the formula. Welcome, certified. I don't want to say the second part of your name, but welcome. Oh my god. All right, yeah, welcome. I appreciate you guys, man. I really do. When I'm able to upload more, like gaming content, I will try my best. Right now, I'm really just trying to save enough money for a better graphics card, because like when I try to upload like those hyper edits, like those, like try to attempt those crazy edits, my editing software just crashes and it's so annoying. The fact that I know that steel blows the hell out of me. It's like, bruh. Oh, yeah. Alright, so C minus. Alright, so. So that means the other one is right. So you have to have initial T. That means you gotta store it. Oh, that's mad annoying. I'm not gonna hold you. How are we gonna do that? So initial T, yeah, minus previous T. No, or current T. So how would I store this? Because in that case, we're doing C 15, which 15 minus. We have 15 minus 20 minus 15. So that'll give us 10, and that's 10 here. Okay. Okay. You have to store it. That changed. Dang, this might actually lag the server thinking about it because how much data you're keeping in there. I mean, it's client sided, so it wouldn't really do much onto the client. So the client can't see other people's. Okay, that could work, but it might still lag. Let's see. All right. So, how am I gonna do that? Damn, I have to make a huge table of a bunch of like. Okay. Yeah, I think the table's the only way to go, honestly, for this one. So I mean, yeah. What other way can you do this? Cause that changed boxed amount. So you're looking at total amount equals the tools amount. Box amount equals whatever's in the box. Crafting amount is whatever's been crafted. Right. All right. So if box amount is greater than or equal to no, you have to do it else because then it could run twice. Else if crafting amount is less than or equal to, or less than, okay, so less than, or no, if crafting amount is greater than, or just do the opposite. Boxed amount is less than crafting amount. You are Theo, Mr. Certified. Hold on, let me see. Because if you weren't Theo, you wouldn't have asked. Or maybe I'm tripping. Nah, I'm not tripping. 100% Theo. Alright, then. Okay, so box them out, less than crafting them out, right? How am I gonna do that? Because I have to get the initial T. And for that, there should be another way to do this. Because that's a way to. That would literally flood. That would literally flood. Alright, so. No, because you can't do that. So, yeah, see, if 2, you can't subtract 2 from 3. That's not 1, it's 2. So, thinking about it, right? T equals 20 minus 15. Then, yeah, that might just be the only way. But yeah, T becomes 10 as a final value. So if the player drops 5 apples, they would have 15 in total. If they had something in the crafting slot, that slot would be 10. And then if they had this, slot would be 5. Remain 5 because it's less than this. Okay. So that means that that other one has to be. Oh man, that's so lame. Okay, so we have some variables that already store the tool, but that's just a tool, not. I mean, we can do that. We can do that. So we can do that, okay? Because we have the tool stored already, right? Total amount equals ref tool, find for stock. Ref tool is already stored, right? How would that work? Okay, rest of the quantity changed. Oh man, so how would that work? Okay, let's see. So local initial. Okay, yeah. So local initial total. Initial, what is initial? Yeah, total equals. Wait, that makes yes, quantity. Yep, alright, dot value. Okay, so this dot value, so ref dot value. Okay, there we go. Dot value. Well, damn, there might be one more problem. I hope it doesn't work that way. Okay, so I don't know how that like stacks, but hopefully events like don't like I don't know. We'll see. Alright, but it's not an event. This is under that though, but it's a function. Holy moly! Let's see if this works. Initial total equals ref tool find first child, right? So box items less than crafting item. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is you have to change it. So you have to change it every single time. Every single time it's changed, we have to make the initial now equal that. So quantity dot change connect function. At the very bottom right here, we're gonna do quantity or initial total equals ref tool find first child quan. Just literally copy this thing. Quantity dot value. Okay. Alrighty. And with that logic, we can now begin. So, we only changed the boxed amount, right, for this one. But for now, we will change the crafted amount. But what if that is also greater than that? But let's keep going. So, let's say we're going to do crafting amount. V dot amount now should equal V dot amount minus, and then we have the little parentheses. We're going to do initial total minus. What if they gain more? Okay, I can simply add that. Minus ref tool that's fine. Wait, no, it's not. What is v dot amount? V dot amount. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Dot find first child quantity dot value, right? And now we have to change the string as well. So now we're gonna do, how are we gonna do that? How do we get that string? The slots, right? So we're gonna do v is the slot. Okay, so slots is up here. Buttons. Okay, yeah. So buttons, and then we just do I, right? Buttons I dot. Yeah, craft. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Slots I equals no. Dexter amounts. Yeah, we changed that, but like we don't really change anything. So yeah, we're gonna name that amounts. Display objects. It has to be buttons. It can't be slots. So what are you looping through? You're looping through buttons. That's what I thought. So buttons. That's what I said. So buttons I dot place dot amount dot place dot amounts. Is it amounts? Is it amounts? Who knows? Now text equals to string v dot amount. Yeah. And yes, so this would only work if initial total is less than ref, or greater than, actually greater than ref find first child quantity dot value, then if the player just lost some of their items, that's when this should run. Alright, let's see if this works. I have no idea. If this works first try, oh my days. Oh man. So we have 700, 800, and I don't even know. So yeah, okay. So let's try what we said earlier. Hopefully this works. I pray this works. Do you have any errors? No. All right, let's take this. We got 1, 2, 3. We gotta find like 15 or something. Can't use the old one. Yeah, I mean that should work universally. That's the purpose of making a system. Do we have 20 yet? 16. Oh, you were alive, bruh. Alright, anyway, okay, so we take 4 more and donezo, right? And so now we have this. Our scenario, that's a problem. The numbers are gonna be like padding. I'm gonna just extend the padding. Alright, anyway, so let's say we had, so in that scenario, right, that we had just now, we had, our background number was 20, and then we made it to 15. Okay, so 20. So back to 20. So we have 5 and 15 in here. So 5 should be in here. That means we have 15 in here, right? All right. So now I hold an orange, and I want to drop a certain amount. Let's say we drop. How much are we dropping? We dropped 5. Is that how much we dropped? Yeah, we dropped 5. So we lost 5 in this transaction. 5, my boy. So in this case, we should have 10 here and still have 5 here. Let's see. No. Man. Okay. We have 15 and 0, which doesn't really make any sense. Damn it. All right, so v dot amount equals. Oh man, how does this not work? Because here we changed, so v dot amount box amount minus crafting amount. Okay, so crafting amount minus initial total minus ref total find first child. Oh, that's why. So in this case, oh yeah, initial total is greater than that. So yeah, I mean, yeah, crafting amount. So this here would have been 15. 15 minus initials 20 minus what is it now? 15, 5. Okay, I don't know how that worked or ran. Let's try this again because that really didn't make any sense to me. To make this easier and not waste time, we're gonna have an orange that's on the floor. I don't know why oranges are dropped straight down, but it doesn't really make any sense, really, unless orange is. I mean, did you not find it from whatever? Anyway, yeah, orange. I don't know how it fell straight down. Doesn't really make sense because you can drop oranges. All right, orange. Doesn't make any sense. Orange right here. I'm pretty sure the part is collidable. Wow, did not be collidable. Then how does it fall through the ground? Like what? Anyway, we're gonna copy this orange. We're gonna paste this orange at spawn. We're gonna have this orange here. We're gonna change the quantity to 20. Nice. And the orange juice. I mean that works too. Yeah, I'm tripping. Alright. Anyway, where is the juice? No. So yeah, 20. So we take this 20. What am I doing? 15. Okay, and then we drop 5. Why does that do that? Okay, what if I? Yeah, I don't even want to do that yet. Anyways, yeah, if I do, it should just. But now it's gonna be inaccurate, so it's gonna be 5 down. What tarnish? What? This changes, but this is the boxed item. Why does the boxed item change? And why is it 0? Okay, because okay. Okay, so the way that this could be 0, how would it be 0? That doesn't even make sense. Hold on. So it's okay. Let's look at this. That means it's probably this code here is probably right. So in here we should be doing what? 15 minus 10 or 15 minus 20 and 5. Okay, so let's check it. Print. We are doing, and then we got initial total, just toString initial total. I mean, yeah, how you gonna print it out? Comma, no. Yeah, toString crafting amount minus here we're gonna do and then yeah, so it's just another one here, and then you're gonna do toString initial total minus over here to string whatever this is, okay? And I'm not even, let's see how that works. All right, let's try again. So now we would have 15 here. Oh, we didn't select it. And with this logic, if we were to take this and drop at wait, bro, what? Okay, so what? Okay, what? Okay, so we are doing 15. That's why you have 0 up here. Oh, we dropped, bro. That just confused the hell out of me. Oh my god. We did the wrong numbers. Supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, we're not right. So 15 and crafted, 5 in the bottom. And then we drop 5. Oh my god. What? How does that make sense? 15 in the box, 5 in the bottom, and then we drop 5. Okay. So yeah, 15 up here, right on the bottom, and then we drop 5 items. Okay, so with this logic, we're not even, it doesn't even meet the conditional. So with that case, this is not it. So what we did here, when we drop it, we have 15. 15, okay, the conditional is not right. That's why it's doing that weird stuff. I don't even know. The conditional is not right. Else if boxed amount is less than crafting amount. Here's prints, boxed amount, and then crafting amount. Yeah, because our boxed amount there was 5, and our crafting amount was 15. Then it might not even hit the first conditional, which is why the bottom is 0, I think. I have no idea. Yeah, same thing, 15 up, or 15 up here. And then yeah, so we drop 5. What's okay, that would probably be why the bottom is 0. So I don't know. So 15 and 15. So 15 and 15, they're equivalent. So it will do the first one. But if you stop and pause and think, that literally makes no sense. So boxed amount was 15. No, boxed amount. How was boxed amount 15? What is boxed amount equivalent to? Boxed amount equals to number item button wait for child amount text. Okay. LOL, Kevin. That was literally Theo. Anyway, oh my god. There's no way they're both 15. Okay. Um, crafting them out is 15, but boxed them out can't be 15. That would literally, unless boxed amount is like, oh no, that means boxed amount is. Let's take this out. No, it's not defined. So how else would that work? Um, yeah, how would that work? Do we ever like do this again or no? So how does that work? Yeah, 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 crafting. Okay, what is? I'm so confused. What is? Okay, so box amount here is two number item box item button item button which you just added. Wait for child amount dot text. Okay. So what? It's not it's never 15, so I don't know. Unless it's just like the old number, which really wouldn't make sense either. Let's try this again. I'm so confused. 20, right? So here box item is 20. And then if we do this, unless it's getting the wrong number, which really makes sense either. If we do this, 15, and then here it's 5. Oh my god. It's never 15, so I don't know how it's 15, 15. Unless I'm printing the wrong thing out. Probably am. Okay, yeah, box amount, crafting amount, so what? Unless box amount equals crafting amount, which I never did. Um, read on amount, so are we, oh, that's the problem. Well, no, it's not the problem. But I saw somewhere else say V. Oh my gosh. Nope. We're looking through these, is it the slots? Here we do this, and then we do 15, and then we drop 5, right? Boxed amount is that, which is 5. How is it? How is boxed amount 15? Doesn't make any sense to me. It is not. boxed amount ever. Bruh. Doesn't even make sense. I mean, zero now. Like, what? Bruh. Maybe we have to add a weight, but that wouldn't even make sense either. Because box amount is literally this. Oh my god. Okay. Boxed amount, right? Is not the string of like the text? Make any sense? Two number item button wait for child amount dot text. That's the thing we just added. And when but it's never well, how is it ever 15? I don't understand. Oh, because oh, that's why. Oh, okay. It's 15 because when we subtract 5, it makes it 15. Right? But then it changes it again. So we should actually collect it after it changes. Alright? So that means we would have to wait a little bit. That means I gotta wrap this in a coroutine. Oh my god. Unless events already create a new thread, which they probably don't. Let's try it. Let's add a wait. But it's probably not gonna work because like I don't even know. Let's see. It's 15 because that's why. Okay, that's why it's 15. But like, it tries to replicate what it does. But where does it do that? Does it do that before or after? That's when the thing changed, right? So that means it's in the exact same thread. Let's try it again. The exact same, whatever that thing is called. Do that, and then with that, we take this out, and then we do five. Yeah, so it's in the. It has to be in the exact same thread. Where do we change that? So yeah, it has to be here. So because here we do this, and then we also do quantity, then quantity dot changed, right? So dot change connect function. Don't make it harder for me. Item box we found out that text equals to string. Okay, so 15, right? Okay, so it's 15 there. Right. And that's something else. But what are we gonna add? So it's 15 right there, right? But like what we're doing is that we're moving. So what we're doing there is we move 5. Let's go back inside of it. Go back and forth. Gotta go through this line by line. So we have this, right, which is 20. We take this up and we say, hey, we want to put 15 in here, 15 in here, right? So now, if you were to drop, if I had this out, and I dropped 15 or 5, right? This is gonna be 15. This is gonna make this 15. This is still 15. So now you have 15 and 15. So yeah. So I dropped 5, right? So it will hit right here. It will hit right here, right? No. Which right here, right? So it's running the code. Boom. Boom. It sets it to 15. Now it starts looping. Looping again. We find the tool. Local total amount equals ref tool. Find first child quantity, which is the tool dot value. So that's 15. So now here we'd have boxed amount equals to number whatever, which is 50, is 15 still, right? So now we have okay, so now I see where I'm going wrong. Okay, so yeah. That's why I missed a step. I skipped a step in here because I was too caught up. That's why, okay? So if I go back a bit more, that's why I didn't make it, nothing made sense. Okay, so if I go back a bit more, we start here. Okay, so we have our boxed items. No, we have our crafting items, our boxed items, and our total items. Our total items have a 15 or 20, right? Our boxed items go on to be, what's the number? Our boxed items are 5, right? And then the crafting items are 15, right? If we were to drop, let's say our action is we drop. Our action is we drop. We drop 5 apples. Drop 5 apples, right? In that case, we think about it, right? Our box items now become 15 because it's trying to replicate it. Our total items become 15, and our crafting items is still 15. Pause. Okay, cool. But for this to make sense, we would have to make a transition which will make the total items remain 15, of course. The box item would have to be back to 5, and then the crafted items would have to be 10. So that means we also do an operation for this as well as that. So in here, what we can do is we can do, this is clearly the different. Oh shit. Oh, actually, no, this is not. This is nice. So this one, this bottom part is just here. Here is just. We also have, okay. So we have So we also have the. This is the what, current, right? This is becomes the current. This is current. So the initial is the current because it's new. So this is just 20. Then the initial is still 20 because it stays at 20. And here the initial is still 20. Right? Cool. So with that logic, right? With that logic, right? That means that our, to get 5, we'd have to subtract. We would have to subtract, to get 5. We would have to subtract our initial and our current from our current. Okay. So now for that we do ti, that equals ti minus tc. Equals 5. And then after we do that, right, you would have 5 here. That means we would also have to subtract that 5. Here to get that, then we go and then we subtract c minus b. Right? Cool. Because here we would have ti, which is 20, minus tc, which is 15, gives us 5. Then for c equals 10, we would subtract that 5 minus 15, the previous one, which is 15, which would be 10. So let's just do another example, okay? So here we have the 4 variables. B, in this case, B has to be less than C, so it doesn't matter what B is. So let's say let's say B is like what? B is like 2, and C is like, I don't know, 17, right? That means the total, current total, is going to be 19. Same for this one, right? Let's say I drop 5 apples, okay? Same thing, drop 5 apples. Our TC will now be 19 minus 5, which is, yeah, our TI stays the same, okay? Our TC is going to be 19 minus 5, which is 14, right? That's not, okay, 14, right? Cool. So, our B will now try to replicate the TC, which is also 14. And our C will remain the same, 17, right? Now we're doing the actual operation where TC is the same, 14. TI now becomes 19. Or, I mean, stays 19, my bad. And then B will equal TI minus TC, which means B will now equal, oh, that's not a good, okay, what was it? It was TI minus shit. That is 5, which wouldn't really make any sense. But let's do it. Okay, so this would be 5. Right. Oh, okay, I see what you do there. Okay. So, I see what you do there. Logically, yes, if we're saying, if you follow this would be 5, right? And then our C would be that 5 minus what it was up there originally. So, that would be 12, right? Well, then realistically, this is supposed to still remain 2, because 2 is less than the total. Damn, that's going to be hard for me to remember, okay? That's why. Okay? So, let's take a chill pill there. Okay. So, that means here would also still be our B. That's why, yeah, because our B was already 5, because the numbers, the examples were bad, okay? So, yeah. 2. And if you do the math, 12 plus 2 is 14. Indeed, 14. So, that's cool. So that means you have to find a way to store the previous one as well. To store this. How the hell are we gonna do that? Let's go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Studio, and we have to find a way to store initial boxed. Okay. Let's backtrack this here. So now we have these. Okay, this is here, right? And then local initial boxed equals to number, and then whatever this is. So, well, I mean, wait, how the hell am I gonna do that? Is that not? No, it's not. It can be initial total. It has to be above it then. It has to be above it. Okay, let me actually close out of this. Oh man. So back this up. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it would have to be here. Indents. Ref tool, find first child quantity value, and then this one would have to be oh man. Yeah. So let's try it. I think I might be right. I'm just really cautious right now. So I'm gonna just do this.text. Okay, item box, whatever that text. Okay. So yeah, and yeah, cool. So initial box. So here, back here, when box time is less than the amount, we're doing. This is what we do. Okay, we do. So it's gonna replicate it, right? It's not gonna have 15 as a box as well as 15, or you're gonna have. Okay, you're gonna have 50. Yeah, 15 for the box, 15. Let's use a 1914 example. Okay, so damn it, I kind of lost track. I'm getting a headache. All right, so 19, right? you take out 5, you have 14 here. So basically, we're gonna have to do. Okay. We're gonna have to do boxed amount equals initial boxed. No, that doesn't make any sense. Item button dot text. Oh well, wait for child amount dot text equals toString box amount initial box amount, right? Cool. Because it's gonna change. Okay, right, and then we're gonna have v dot amount should now equal. What are you doing? V dot amount should now equal dot value. Nope. Should now equal. It's equal to the current versus the initial. Okay. So v dot amount minus initial boxed, right? And then we do that boxed up there. What is that box again? I don't know what that box is. What is it? It's buttons.i. Buttons I dot place dot amount, I think. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's a button. No, it's not. It's a button. Yeah, I don't even know. Is that even a button? Yeah, dot place. What? Oh yeah, because it's 3. Dot place. Dot amount. Yeah, dot amount. Dot text should now equal v dot amount or toString. Let's see if this one works. Let's use the exact same amount. How much we have? 19, right? Oh, wait, let's use the 15 one. Doesn't even matter. So the 15 would work too. So we have this. We take this. We put 15 up here, and then we drop 5. Damn it, bro. I don't know what to do. I thought we had it. Oh, okay, so now we're comparing initial box amount. Yeah, that's why it's not working. Okay, because then it goes through this jack, so it's initial boxed amount. But then that first one might break. Let's see. Yeah, that first one might just shatter. Or they just all not gonna work. I don't even know. I have no idea really. Let's see. So we take this, and then we put this here. 15. Nah, you're just gonna take it out and just add more. So okay, and then we drop 5. That is. I mean, technically it's not wrong, but like, it's not wrong at all, really. I mean, it's not wrong. Okay, I'm confused. So it's like it prioritizes your crafting than your actual items, which is not what I really want. I print. I forgot. And then print right one. because I don't want inconsistency. Um, and then we drop 5. Oh, okay, so it's the right one. I can see how that works, but like I can understand because it probably runs it twice because it's changing twice. No, it didn't. Bruh. It's the right one, but I don't. Okay, I forgot how the first one was. Let's see if the first one still works the way I think it should work. Okay, so total items is 6 in this one, right? No, if I mean that's not wrong. So it's 14, total items 6. Okay, so if total item is 6, right? 4 in the box, 2 in the crafting, so. And then we take out 1, right? Please work. That doesn't even make sense. Man. Damn. That does not even make sense. How do we really have 6? Yeah, because we haven't done adding yet. Unless you want to just subtract boxed as well. Initial, I don't even know. It would make sense to do initial. I think that's probably what. It's a boxed amount. Yeah, there's no way I knew this wasn't gonna be easy. All right, okay. Okay. Take 14, 6. We do 2, and then we drop 1. Oh no. Three and 2, right? Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a break, man.